In today's business world, everything comes down to making smart, data-driven decisions. And to do that, we rely on some seriously powerful tools to help us make sense of it all, to turn all that complex data into clear, actionable insights. And what's at the heart of this whole data revolution? Well, for so many of us, it's Tableau. It's the engine that powers entire organizations. We're talking sales, finance, operations, you name it, with these amazing interactive dashboards. It's really the backbone for getting those live insights that modern companies depend on. But we've all been there, right? That inevitable moment comes. The request for a clean, polished, client-ready report in the one tool absolutely everyone uses, Excel. So what happens then? Yeah, that's when everything just grinds to a halt. The beautiful, fast, agile workflow you have in Tableau, it breaks. And this is where that slow, painful operational drag really kicks in. So let's just walk through this manual nightmare for a second, because I bet it sounds painfully familiar. First, you've got to export the raw data from Tableau. Then you have to hunt down the right Excel template and start rebuilding the whole thing from scratch. You're in there, manually fixing all the formatting, reapplying all the business rules and filters, and then you get to do it all over again, next week, next month, for the next report. It's just this endless, frustrating cycle. And here's the thing, this isn't just an inconvenience. It has real, hidden costs. We call it lost revenue time. Your best analysts are literally wasting hours formatting cells when they should be finding insights. Meanwhile, your decision makers are just waiting. And every single time you do this manually, you're opening the door for human error, which leads to slipped deadlines and rising costs. This right here really hits the nail on the head. Tableau is an absolute powerhouse for visualization. There's no doubt about it. But it was never designed for this very specific but crucial final step, creating those automated, perfectly branded, client-ready reports in Excel. There's a massive gap in the process. And that gap, that's exactly what KRAG was built to fill. That's KRAG, pronounced KRAG, and it stands for Kriverra, Retrieve, Analyze, and Generate. The best way to think about it is as the smart automation layer. It's the missing link that finally connects the power of Tableau directly to the polished Excel reports your business needs. So how does it actually bridge that gap? Let's take a quick look. The whole idea is simple. Zero manual effort for you, and complete end-to-end automation. Okay, so first things first, everything starts with a secure connection. KRAG hooks right into your Tableau environment using official secure APIs. So all of your existing permissions and security protocols are completely respected. It's totally enterprise ready. Now, once you're in the KRAG interface, the process is ridiculously simple. Step 1. You just pick the Tableau workbook you need from a simple drop-down menu. That's it. No more exporting or messing with CSV files. Then, for step 2, this is where you get that consistency you're always fighting for. You just choose from a list of your company's pre-approved, branded Excel templates. This means every report is going to have that perfect professional look and feel every single time. And the final step? Well, it's pretty much just one click. You hit Generate Report and KRAG's smart engine instantly takes over and does all of that heavy lifting for you in the background. And here's the result. We're talking seconds later, not hours, not even minutes. Your report is completely done, processed, and ready for you to download. It's that fast. And just look at the output. This is not some raw data dump. This is a finished, professional document. You can see the company logo, the proper branding is there, custom number formatting is applied, the tables are perfectly structured. It's all done automatically, and it's completely error-free every single time. This chart right here, it tells the whole story, doesn't it? We're taking a process that used to eat up hours and hours of manual work, and we're shrinking it down to just a few seconds. The time savings are just immediate and absolutely massive. So let's just put it side by side. Before KRG, your world is filled with repetitive tasks, a high risk of errors, and delayed decisions. After KRG, your team is free to focus on actual strategic analysis, you get guaranteed consistency across every report, and your leaders get the insights they need in real time. And honestly, it gets even better. Imagine needing to generate dozens of different versions of a report, maybe one for each sales region or for each major client. With KRAG, you can do that all at once with a single click. This frees up your analytics team to do the high-value work that actually moves the needle for the business. It is time to stop the manual drag. It's time to finally and permanently bridge that frustrating gap between your powerful Tableau insights and your essential Excel reports. KRAG by Kriverra. It really is the smart, simple bridge between Tableau and Excel that your team has been waiting for. So, are you ready to get rid of that operational drag and speed of your reporting? Go ahead and request a personalized demo today at kriverra.com. That's KRIVERRA.com. Or just send us an email at support@kriverra.com and see for yourself how KRAG can completely transform your workflow.